Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions, home at mobility316.com. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna L. The rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain with a brand new conversion. I can operate this entire conversion with just 2 fingers. Has a clamp on both sides, a handle on both sides. What I do with these clamps, I pinch and I flip. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 43-inch super wide bariatric ramp with ease. One of the advantages to the rear entries also, they have wider ramps. Most side entries are only 30 inches. So if you want to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair accessible van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Now, if a few of the advantages to the rear entry, but if you're looking for side entry, if you're looking for full size, if you're looking for a truck or an SUV, we have about 85 wheelchair accessible vans on the ground ready to go here in Wichita, Kansas. If you don't see it on our website at mobility316.com, we're probably getting it ready, or we can find it for you, so get in touch with us. 1,000 pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 57 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 42 inches of width here where the ramp sets. And this is the deep cut conversion, which can haul 2 wheelchairs at a time. We can install a gurney kit in here, so you can also do stretchers. There is big money in those if you're running your non-emergency medical transport business. We can even put a 3rd row flip seat in here, so you could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. Got your spare tire. You have about 25.5 inches of room between these seats. If you did want us to put a bench seat in there, that will hold 3. That will flip up out of the way when it's not in use. We can also do that. Let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner is great. Get your rear air controls over there. Upgraded Q-strength tie downs. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to upcharge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. They are free with us. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Got your warranty and tie down information there. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. You've got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plug-ins for your electronics. You got your cup holders there. And when you get everybody secure, come back out and simply just reverse the process. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. What do you expect them to say? I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Some companies are going to tell you no warranty. Some are going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some might even tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those options to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Easy answer, right? Walk around to the van. It's got tinted windows in the back. It's got your alloy wheels. Nice clean van. I'm looking for little dents or scratches on the van. I'm not going to sit here and say it's brand new, but it is very clean, very well taken care of. You hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. There's no magic to it. There's no smoke and mirrors. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in Wichita, Kansas. Allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. The other thing is, I want you to imagine our competitors, the big box stores with 10, 20, 50, 100 stores. Imagine the millions of dollars of overhead they have per month, more than we do. Not per year, per month. That's why they have to charge so much for their vans. That's how we easily beat their prices by $5,000 or $10,000 per van. Pretty simple math, right? And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number on the side of the van or inside the van. Why say that? The scammers on Facebook Marketplace, it's the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle, and Facebook will do nothing about it. They're going to steal my pictures. They're going to cut out my sign. They're going to post something like this on the internet for like $20,000 with a $2,000 deposit to hold it. They can't hold it for you. They don't even have the vehicle. So no matter who you buy from, to make sure they have the vehicle, get this video. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. You can see the VIN number, the sticker. You can see I have the van right here with me. The scammers can't make that video. Make sure you get that video to protect yourself. What we do with that VIN number, we're going to Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see just one owner, last owner is a commercial vehicle. It does show an accident reported. I'm going to show that to you. It's very minor. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, and the airbag's never been deployed. That's why I believe in this vehicle. That's why I bought it with a minor accident. I don't mind buying a vehicle that's had a bumper painted, a door painted, something like that. I don't want one with frame damage, and I don't want one with airbags being deployed, and I don't want a flood vehicle. So again, odometer is accurate, no open recalls. As we scroll down here, you can see vehicle shows on August 2022, so over 2 years ago. Accident reported with another motor vehicle. Again, no airbags, no frame. It passes my inspection. We're just needing some light paint work. Also, the vehicle shows it went into service March 4th, 2020. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota until March 4th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,611 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. That's a pretty dang good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. Some of these scammers can make a Google page, get 3 or 4 or 5 reviews before Google catches on to what they're doing. Check out our 4.8 out of 5 stars, 327 reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public or these low-end dealers, dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that has a salvage title they weren't told about, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, or flood damage they weren't notified of. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go right on ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, we look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. It's got the keyless entry. It's got 2 keys here. If you want us to get additional keyless entry made, we'd be happy to do so on your dime. Inside the van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The interior is super clean. I'll show you the back seats here. These are the gray vinyl. Easy to clean up if you get a mess or a spill on them. And these doors are manual. I'm just showing you the layout for those of you that aren't really familiar with these vans, how much room there is back here as well. When I go to start up the van, 44,775 miles. You can see when I go to turn the van on, fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Currently has a full tank of gas. Got your backup camera there, a great safety feature to have. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show those to you moving right now. We tested the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking the vehicles on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these to the car wash and put them on the lot like so many people selling vehicles do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and I hope you can tell, if nothing else, by my videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like it's well taken care of Toyota. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being up north, or no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's got low miles on it, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. So no matter who you do business with, I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online, thousands of reviews, so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a free Carfax report, so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a super detailed YouTube video, so you know exactly what you're getting. And how about the roof? These taller vehicles, I see many of them at auction that have major, like, hail damage, a big dent in the roof from someone pulling into a garage that was too low or something like that. But the sellers, they don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. And you better too, because to repair these things can be $5,000, $10,000, no problem. I'll hop up there and get you a part of the video here momentarily. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare us to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up getting a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got a salvage title or won't pass inspection in your state from frame damage, from flood or an accident, it's got a VIN problem, in all those cases, and in many more if that happens, if you buy a van you can't register, you buy a van you can't drive. Congratulations on your 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and many, many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a brand new pots and pans off Amazon for 120 bucks. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars, but I pay that extra money up front because I want to know what I'm getting. Carfax has the best VIN search available. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax report. Third, get online. Find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation and reviews. Confirm they are a real person. They're not a scammer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, our van comes with a powertrain warranty. Specs from Toyota. Comes with a 3-year unlimited mile conversion warranty. And I told you to hop up here and show you everything looks good on the roof. You better believe I'm a man of my word. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. That's got the lane departure warning, by the way. If someone's in my blind spot, I got my signal on, it will beep at me. That's the beep you heard. A great safety feature to have. It's got the adaptive cruise control to keep us a safe following distance from the people in front of us as well. So whether it's your family or your business, these are great options that these Toyotas are a little more expensive, but they carry some great safety features, and you can't put a price on that. I popped it up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. And do keep in mind the vehicle meets the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Toyota, along with the conversion warranty, but we do sell a long-term affordable factory type warranties. They go all the way out to 8 years. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, but they have hidden in a fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add the cost of all their hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, exactly what we're looking for. I'm gonna turn the AC down, it's freezing me out in here. AC works great. And if you would like to give us a call or a text message, now text is the fastest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone on our staff can see the text and respond as soon as possible. But you can call or text us at 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to, call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough. It's got the lane assist as well. If I start to get over too far in one lane, it will beep to notify me to get back into my lane. So an awesome safety feature as well. But I challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day and try and pressure you into getting a sale. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell this Toyota whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And if we do take trade-ins, by the way, get in touch with us. We can explain how that works, whether a standard or a mobility vehicle, whether local or across the country. Get in touch with us and we can explain how that works. If you would ever like to come in to view our inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. Good question. People ask, why do you require an appointment? I can hire 3 or 4 car salesmen to sit out there all day, and when you come in, hound you like wolves that haven't eaten in a week, like the car salesman I was just talking about 2 minutes ago. Or you can make an appointment get set up with a mobility professional that's been doing this for 13 years that's going to help find the best fit for your needs. I am not sitting around the office all day with my feet up on a desk waiting for people to come in. We're at auctions, we're dispatching vehicles, we're down at the warehouse working. We stay extremely busy. So help us get over 185 to 100 vehicles. Help us get organized. Help us find out which ones you want to take a look at. Help us save time. An appointment takes 30 seconds to a minute. So you must make that appointment to see our inventory. And if you've made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I've mentioned, I know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can because this is a big investment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316, mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or a text today, and we really appreciate you giving us a chance to earn your business.